Once assets have arrived in storage, the goal is to accurately and efficiently provide them to the OR on time. CensiTrac's unique inventory management capability can reduce case card assembly time, improving time spent searching for peel packs and containers. CensiTrac's mobile application also provides efficient scanning strategies that make storage and OR scanning quick and accurate without the need for a permanent workstation. The OR scheduler interface not only creates case-specific pick lists, streamlining case card assembly, but it also automatically prioritizes based on upcoming surgery cases. In the end, improving OR start time, accuracy, and throughput. Complete visibility to inventory throughout the hospital is essential to both the central sterile and OR departments. Utilizing CensiTrac inside of storage and case card assembly enables complete transparency to each individual instrument while maximizing efficiency.